Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 100. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the power of 5 on both sides. So now we have x to the power of x to the power of 5 to the power of 5, and this is equal to 100 to the power of 5. Now, I'm going to change the 100 to 10 squared. So now we have x to the power of x to the power of 5 to the power of 5, and this is equal to 10 squared to the power of 5. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 10 to the power of 2 to the power of 5, this is going to equal 10 to the power of 2 times 5. And 2 times 5 is simply 10, so this would equal 10 to the power of 10. And also, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, because this is simply equal to a to the power of m times n, we could reverse these two, meaning this would also equal a to the power of n to the power of m. So in this case, I'm going to switch the places of x to the power of 5 and 5. So now we would have x to the power of 5 to the power of x to the power of 5 is equal to 10 to the power of 10. And if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, this means that a is equal to b. So in this case, x to the power of 5 is equal to 10, meaning x is equal to the fifth root of 10. So this is our answer. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 5. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to factor out 3 to the power of x from our left-hand side. So now we have 3 to the power of x times 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now this is equal to 5. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So now we have 3 times 3 to the power of x is equal to 5. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So now we have 3 to the power of x is equal to 5 over 3. Now I'm going to take the log of both sides. And whenever I have a logarithm in the form log a to the power of b, I can actually move our exponent here, b, to the front of the logarithm. And this is known as the power property of logarithms. So this would be equal to b times log a. So now we have, I'm actually going to move this x to the front. So now we have x times log 3 is equal to, now log of 5 over 3 is the same thing as log 5 minus log 3. So now I'm going to divide both sides by log 3. So then these two cancel out, these two cancel out, and I'm left with x is equal to log 5 minus 1. And log 5, sorry, is for log 3. So now the value of log 5 is equal to approximately 0.6990, and the value of log 3 is equal to 0.4771. So now if I plug these in, I get 0.6990 over 0.4771 minus 1. And this means that x is equal to, if we simplify this, this would be equal to 0.4651. So this is our answer.